King of the herb for ages, Ganoderma is considered the king of herbs and also as miracle mushroom. It is due to the unique composition of active elements and to the miraculous health benefits it offers. Scientifically, it is known to possess the following properties, which are unique in nature. DXN Ganoderma and active elements. Dxn Ganoderma is cultivated using special technology, which ensures high quality and rich availability of natural active elements. Dxn Ganoderma is known to contain more than 200 active elements. Some are nutritive and others are therapeutic in function. Superior herb Gano has been categorized as the best of the superior herbs known to man. By this quality, Gano is able to provide nutritive as well as therapeutic benefits to the body at one go. There are more than 640 herbs used by man, and Gano belongs to the most superior class of the herbs. Adaptogen. This term refers to the herbs which, when consumed, satisfy the following three conditions. Ganoderma satisfies all the three conditions and therefore, declared an adaptogen. There should be no side effects or toxicity even on long-term as well as large quantity consumption. The benefits of consumption should not be restricted to a few organs or tissues, but should be effective on all the cells in the body. There should be normalizing effects on the body as a whole. Nutritive proteins, amino acids, vitamins, minerals and dietary fiber. They are all essential nutritional elements to build the body strong and healthy. Therapeutic. 5 important active elements are noted for their therapeutic benefits. They are as follows: polysaccharides (PSP). They are excellent in activating the body's immune system at all levels. Once activated, the immune system cleanses the body of all toxic matters. These toxins include harmful chemicals as well as harmful germs. Polysaccharides protect the cell wall. It increases the oxygen levels in the blood. It effectively reduces the tumor cells and prevents the spread of cancer. Organic germanium (OG). Dxn Ganoderma is one of the richest sources of organic germanium, 6000 ppm, which is very rare. OG is good in balancing the biochemical factors as well as bioelectric factors in the body. Thus it balances the body functions. It improves oxygen supply to the cells, particularly for the brain cells. Adenosine. It acts as a regulator of all hormone functions in the body. It also improves blood circulation, removes blocks in the vessels, corrects acidity, controls cholesterol and reduces free fat. It reduces obesity. It enhances the energy levels. Reduces mental stress and thereby improves work efficiency. Triterpenoids. There are more than 112 types of triterpenoids in Dxn Ganoderma, which is a rich source. They are builders of the body cells. They activate the inactive cells, improve all the digestive functions and strengthen the muscles of the heart and the liver cells. It is excellent in preventing a wide range of allergies. It improves the natural healing ability of the body. Ganoderic essence (GE). It is a combination of various vegetable essences present in Gano. GE is known to take care of the health of the skin. Internally, it acts like beta-carotenes and other antioxidants, thus preventing the cell degeneration. The aging process is thus delayed, retaining the youthfulness for a long period. It strengthens the immune system and keeps full alert against infections attacking. The presence of all the 5 important active elements in a single mushroom makes Ganoderma a special herb. Dosage of RGGL: first week 1 pair 1 Rg 1 gigaliter a day, second week 2 pairs 2 Rg 2 gigaliters a day, third week 4 pairs 4 Rg 4 gigaliters a day, fourth week 6 pairs 6 Rg 6 gigaliters a day. Maintain this dosage 6 pairs Rg per gigaliter a day for 6 months. Then the dosage may be reduced to a minimum maintenance dose of 3 pairs of Rg per gigaliter a day. Rg per gigaliter can be taken as a single dose or in multiple doses. Mega dosage is advised in severe and serious diseases like cancer. A dosage of 15 to 30 pairs of Rg per gigaliter a day is recommended for the maximum effect. This high dosage must be continued for 6 months to 1 year. For healthy people it is sufficient to consume 1 to 2 pairs of Rg per gigaliter a day. Unhealthy people must take 3 to 6 pairs of Rg per gigaliter a day. Reishi should be taken as a supplement to any other form of treatment. The medications prescribed by doctor, physician, must be continued. There are no serious side effects of consuming Rg per gigaliter. Ailment reflection may be experienced while consuming Rg per gigaliter, but this may not warrant stopping of consuming Rg per gigaliter. When it occurs, the dosage of Rg per gigaliter may be reduced. Rg per gigaliter can be consumed by all age groups. From the first day of an infant onwards. Ganoderma extract is mixed with coffee, tea and cocoa and given as beverages. Consuming these beverages with Ganoderma gives a range of health benefits. Rg per gigaliter is marketed as food supplement in all the countries including the USA. In India it is marketed as Ayurvedic proprietary medicine. In Singapore, it is marketed under the license as traditional Chinese medicine (TCM) RGGL CAPSULS, therapeutic FUNCTUNS in the body, removes toxins from the entire body, prevents chronic diseases e.g. diabetes BP, prevents blocks and clots in the blood vessels, prevents heart attacks and stroke. Controls cholesterol, reduces obesity, prevents heart problems. Saves and supports terminal patients e.g. cancer, kidney, HIV, coma, improves blood circulation all over the body, reduces body pains, improves energy. Excellent antioxidant, maintains vigor, delays aging. Helps in cancer, reduces problems of gynec and OBs, menstrual, menopausal problems. Enhances hair growth, avoids early balding and graying. Improves fertility for men as well as women. Stress reduction, mental health, calms the mind and makes it peaceful. Enables good quality sleep, opens a bright and energetic morning, the next day. Improves natural immune system, prevents infectious diseases, enhances oxygen absorption by the body and the natural healing ability, saves and improves terminal patients e.g. cancer by balancing all organ functions. Reduces body pains, strengthens muscles, good anti-inflammatory agent. Reduces acidity, balances hormones, regulates biochemistry. Reduces digestive disorders, constipation, IBS and GI tract problems. Reduces obesity and flab, builds strong energetic muscles. Excellent coactive therapy for terminal diseases like cancer, cardiac and kidney problems. Reduces problems of gynec and OBs, menstrual problems. Keeps energetic throughout the day, reduces fatigue and CFS. Improves memory and concentration, natural brain tonic, beautifies skin, youthfulness maintained. Brightens the facial skin and muscles. Helps cure dental, gum problems, bad breath, oral ulcers. Improves sexual potency and performance.